What's up mga katoma? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Laklakan Vlog. Alright guys, so tonight, another recipe na naman ang isi-share ko sa inyo. So I'm sure all of you are excited. Let's do this. Alright, for the following ingredients, we are going to use vodka base, pineapple juice, Turani rose syrup, and grenadine syrup. Let's do it. Alright, so let's start the mixing. Okay, let's put some ice. Okay, 45 ml of vodka. ml vodka. 60 ml of pineapple. $30, $60, and rose syrup 15 ml, half of a jigger. Grenadine syrup 15 ml, half of a shot. Okay, and then the shake. Okay, let's get the glass strainer and a fine strainer. So double strain, and let's pour the drink. Okay, put some garnish. So garnish with aesthetic butterfly. Alright, so this cocktail, tatawagin natin tong paraluman.